What decision made you to cam
Make it faster.
Make it faster?
More
Yeah,
aggressive,
yeah.
Like this is way more like appealing to people.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
The chop, that sound right there. Woo! Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Well, this is keeping it as reliable as possible.
Yes,
the way
100%.
It is.
Yeah.
So it's got a 3200 stall in it as well. It's got Hellcat lifters. I believe the MDS.
Oh, shit.
It's got hardened steel.
Oh, did you keep the MDS or you kicked that out?
No, got rid of it.
Got rid of it. Yeah.
Because that's the issue. Like I never had an issue with this car ever.
Yeah.
And that's not why I cammed it.
Yeah.
But I got rid of all the issues that this car could have had.
Yes, 100%.
With the 6.4s.
Yeah.
So now this car is literally bomb-proof.
Yeah, 100%. Like the way you went is the way to go, because everyone who's like they call it the glass heads or whatever. If you supercharge, you gotta do it. Like basically, they spend like 15 grand to even like build it up. Right?
Well, I put 17 into it, 17,000.
Yeah, but at that point, and then plus a supercharger, right?
Yeah, well, like supercharger, I priced it was 8,500 for it. But then you're right. You gotta do like stuff on the lower end of the motor and all that stuff so it can handle it.
So this is it. This is it. No, I love it. I wouldn't touch it.
I think so. I don't think, because like I said, I daily drive it in the summertime.
Yeah.
Like, it's only got 78,000 kilometers on it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah. Like I don't even like driving it when it's raining out because it's hairy. You get on it too much.
Very 100%.
Like, so I have better tires. I got lightweight rims now on it. These
nice.
only weigh 22 pounds.
Yes.
The stock ones were 37 pounds of tire or rim.
It matters though.
And they're 11.
It fucking matters though.
The rims are 11 inches wide, so the tire itself is almost 13 inches.
Yeah.
And then I've got the Nito tires on it.
Yeah.
So
what would you say is your like gas mileage? Would you say like
I would
15
say,
liters per 100 or?
I would say in town it'd be about 16.
16, yeah.
And then on the highway I'm getting about 12, which isn't bad.
That's not f***ing bad.
No,
that's not.
It really depends on how I'm driving it.
Yeah.
Like when they were dynoing, I think it was getting like 30 liters per 100.
Yeah.
Like, as they're just driving the out of it right on the dyno, right? But,
oh, this is great.
Yeah.
God darn it.
Cam, custom grind.
What exhaust you got on that bad boy?
Borla attack.
Oh, Borla? That's aggressive.